Hey folks, I'm Jacob, and today's topic's going to be about modern warfare. So, this is my friend Jacob. He loves modern warfare, and he's a true player. What do you think about the game?
I think it's really fun, and on Wii it's like really fun.
Well, what do you like better? Modern warfare on Wii, or Modern Warfare on Xbox 360?
Well, both, because they're both fun.
True that.
To that,
Stop covering me. So, what do you think about the game?
well, I think it's very fun, and it's just an amazing game.
Well, there you have it, folks. This kid right here is a true player. So, what do you think is the best about the graphics?
I don't know.
You don't know what graphics means, do you?
Well, Xbox has, PS3 has more graphics, but Xbox 360 is kind of better. And Wii.
What did you just say?
And Wii.
You better. So, what do you think would be best for the people out there?
Modern Warfare 2.
On what game system?
PS3.
PS3? Which one are you doing? PS3 or a PSP?
PS3.
You sure about that? Because I'm sure a lot of folks out there would choose PSP over PS3. What would be your comment about that?
I only would pick PS3 because it has more graphics.
What do you think's the best part of it about the graphics then?
It has more blood there.
What do you think's the best about the guns?